welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today actually harkens back to a conversation that I recently had with our own employee artist, Leslie, where we were talking about your sketchbook. It needs to be your sanctuary. Your sketchbook is where you stir up creativity. It's where you find inspiration. It's where you store ideas, but it's also a place where you need to feel free to do whatever you want. And it's also, I kind of think, important to have a whole bunch of them, like at the ready. This is where more is just better. Where sketchbooks are concerned, having a few extras around is not a bad thing. Having a whole litany of them is even better, because if you have them in different paper stocks, different textures, different shapes and sizes, that can be really, really convenient. And also having them at the ready no matter where you go. So I even have like my old school American Journey one that has like toned paper in it. I got a landscape oriented one with some cool watercolor paper in it. I got this one that I keep in my purse that, you know, it has all kinds of weird stuff in it. Whether you have one like this one is just one of those watercolor journals that we've had for a while that I absolutely love. But I actually decorated this one because it won't be mistaken around my house full of artists. It won't get taken. So I actually just took some Mod Podge and some of our Oriental papers and actually collaged it right onto the cover, and then a piece of broken jewelry that I had. So, you know, you can make your sketchbooks be as wonderful and fabulous as you are, because boy, oh boy, sketchbooks are a fantastic thing to have. It's just your creative resource that you can pull from and also deposit into. Like when you have a whole flurry of ideas, you get inspired by something, it's important to have those absolutely ready whenever you are. And then sometimes it's important just to enjoy an indulgence or two. Like this sketchbook, which is so dang big, we don't even carry it. It's a special edition. And yes, it is mine and I love it. So you should love your sketchbooks too. They are fantastic and they are a wonderful resource. So enjoy your sketchbooks and revel in them. They are fantastic and you should enjoy.